Here's how I painted over boring builder-grade tiles and added a stunningly simple DIY stenciled pattern. I started by sweeping, then scrubbing the surface with Crud Cutter's Cleaner Degreaser. A quick vacuum, and then I taped all baseboards and base cabinets. I used Rust-Oleum Home Interior Floor Coating tinted to Seattle Mist, and I applied a base coat with a brush around the edges and then rolled right over the tiles and grout lines to create a seamless look. Now for the stencil. I applied low-tack spray adhesive on the back to help prevent the paint from bleeding under the reusable stencil. Then using a foam roller, I added a small amount of paint and offloaded any excess on a paper towel. I rolled a color called Vanilla Milkshake, then used a small art sponge to dab a second color called Ultra White on a few areas of the pattern. Peel off when done, and then repeat until the floor is completely covered. Time for the most important step, a clear protective top coat. Sweep before applying, and again brush the edges and roll the surface. This paint system is ideal for ceramic, porcelain, concrete, hardwood, laminate, vinyl, and more. When done, remove the tape and ta-da! A no demo floor reno, and it was walk-on ready in a day. What do you think?